no pun is out, you guys. So for today's video, it's coming from dancehall veteran MACKA. Just thinking out loud on our Instagram, wondering why is that the living don't get as much as the unliving.
There's something I noticed going on with the people on the internet, even everyday life, that we as human beings will react to negative more than positive. You see, ever hear say somebody die and they run over to them page, and but if somebody is living their full life and showing their achievement, they don't get that type of attention. I don't know if I understand what I say. Like, the attention always be on something negative. Like if somebody say, oh, I have a bad illness and I'm gonna die soon, people tend to see them followings go up and them come out every day at top about what am I go through. But if you get up and you put up something positive and I tell them, say, this is what I'm doing today, and it is achieving, and the person is not gonna die, and the person is living well, it's like you don't get that attention. But once them see like something gonna happen to you and something bad is going on in your life, you see more crowd that follow you. I don't know if me alone notice that. And for example, like my brethren tell me say his aunt was ill, and the aunt link is cousin to beg him to send money for her to do an operation, and the aunt never get the money from him, and then the aunt eventually died. And then that same nephew came to the funeral and spent millions of dollars, champagne and this and that and excitement, and instead of helping his aunt to we could not make sure dead, him come and hype about it in a negative way at the funeral, which it never saw. Me don't know, me don't understand how life stays. So like, life is